Our top story this morning, social media is once again the central focus just one day after the verdict in the Stupidville teen rape trial.
We've learned that 2 teenage girls were arrested accused of posting threats against Jane Doe that were found on social media. With more is News 9's Ryan Eldridge.
The threats these 2 teens are alleged to have posted were put on Twitter for the whole world to see, and the posts themselves threaten physical violence against Jane Doe. For law enforcement agencies, these types of threats or posts are not going to be tolerated. Even after a judge issued a ruling and the Stupidville teen rape trial came to a close, social media continues to play a role in the aftermath.
Any rape is very difficult, horrible for the victim. I think it's even is continually re-victimized in the social media.
On Monday, 2 Stupidville teens were arrested for allegedly threatening the victim in the case on Twitter. Law enforcement agencies all over Jefferson County were made aware of the posts made by 15 and 16-year-old girls. The 2 that caught the attention of investigators were these: one threatening homicide, the other threatening to beat Jane Doe. Police took those threats seriously, quickly finding those posts and locating the 2 teens thought to be responsible, arresting and charging them.
They, threatened the victim, in this case Jane Doe, with bodily harm, and you can't do that. I mean, you can't do that.
The charges the 2 face are serious.
Aggravated menacing is a serious charge. With the juvenile court, I really don't know how far they'll go with this, but we found probable cause to make an arrest, 2 arrests, and we're still looking at a couple more, so there could be more arrests.
One suspect's Twitter account was deleted, and the other suspect's account was suspended. Even so, we found other posts online calling for violence towards Jane Doe.
When you make bodily threats to somebody, you've crossed the line. And when you cross the line, law enforcement is going to pursue after you.
Attorney General Mike DeWine is also issuing a warning. In a statement, he said, in part, threatening a teenage rape victim will not be tolerated. If anyone makes a threat verbally or via the internet, we will take it seriously, we will find you, and we will arrest you. One teen apologized before her Twitter account was deleted. Both of the teens spent the night at the Juvenile Justice Center and do have a court appearance this morning. Remember to follow along on our Facebook or Twitter pages, and you can also follow for updates on WTOV9.com. Outside the Jefferson County Justice Center, I'm Ryan Eldridge for News 9.